Hey folks, thank you for visiting our website. I hope you really enjoy the video slide and check out all the pictures at the end. Guys, I think you're going to find out we have a great selection of vehicles here at Parkway Mitsubishi.
Presenting the 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. It's powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include an alarm system, keyless entry, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes, hill start assist, privacy glass. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks, iPod integration, cruise control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Thanks again for visiting our website. I hope you enjoyed that video presentation. Just remember, here at Parkway Mitsubishi, we're the home of Warranty Forever on our pre-owned vehicles. That means as long as you own the vehicle, you have a warranty on our vehicles. So that's something different about Parkway Mitsubishi that makes us different from all our competition. Once again, thank you for visiting Parkway Mitsu. Look to see you soon.